Hello students, welcome again. So today we shall do the poem Don't Be Afraid of the Dark of class 4 English unit 5 book Marigold. And in this video we shall cover reading and the explanation of the poem and new words with their use in sentence. First let's talk about the poet Ruskin Bond. This poem is written by Ruskin Bond. The poet Ruskin Bond is a famous Indian writer of British origin. Ruskin Bond एक इंडियन राइटर है और ब्रिटिश ओरिजिन के हैं. Means his parents belong to British. He was born on 19 May 1934 in कसोली, हिमाचल प्रदेश. उनका जन्म हिमाचल प्रदेश में कसोली नामक जगह पे हुआ था. Now he lives with his adopted family in Landour, Missouri, and now he is living in Missouri. He was awarded the Sahitya Academy Award in 1992 for Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra, his novel in English. उन्हें अपने इस नॉवेल के लिए साहित्य अकेडमी अवार्ड मिला था और उन्होंने 16 की एज में ही स्टोरीज लिखना स्टार्ट कर दिया था और उनका फर्स्ट नॉवेल था द रूम ऑन द रूफ एंड ही हैज़ रिटन ओवर 500 शॉर्ट स्टोरीज, एसेज एंड नॉवेल. Now come to the poem. Don't be afraid of the dark, little one. The earth must rest when the day is done. The sun must be harsh, but moonlight never. And those stars will be shining forever and ever. Be friends with the night. There is nothing to fear. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. By day it does seem that our troubles won't cease, but at night, late at night, the world is at peace. Written by Ruskin Bond. Children, do you afraid of the dark? क्या आपको अंधेरे से डर लगता है? Generally, children are afraid of the dark. ज़्यादातर बच्चों को अंधेरे से डर लगता है. But the poet is saying, don't be afraid of the dark, little one. The poet is saying to the little children like you that no need to be afraid of the dark. कि अंधेरे से डरने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. The earth must rest when the day is done. Then it is important for the sun to go down after the whole day so that the earth can take rest during the night. है ना, पूरे दिन के बाद अर्थ को भी रेस्ट चाहिए होता है ना, जैसे हम रेस्ट करते हैं. एंड ऑल द क्रिएचर्स स्लीप पीसफुली एट द नाइट. द सन मस्ट बी हार्श बट मूनलाइट नेवर. यू नो दैट समटाइम द सन बिकम्स लिटिल बिट हार्श ड्यूरिंग द डे टाइम बट मूनलाइट नेवर. कभी कभी सनलाइट हमें चुभती है लेकिन मूनलाइट हमें कभी नहीं चुभती. एंड दोज स्टार्स विल बी शाइनिंग फॉर एवर एंड एवर. And you can also see the stars that is shining during the night forever and ever. और ये हमेशा यूं ही चमकते रहेंगे. And shining stars also the symbol of light and hope. So no need to be afraid of the dark. Be friends with the night. There is nothing to fear. Again the poet is saying that have a friendship with the night. And there is nothing to fear about the night. कि हमें नाइट से डरने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, बल्कि हमें तो इससे दोस्ती कर लेनी चाहिए. जस्ट लेट योर थॉट्स ट्रैवल टू फ्रेंड्स फार एंड नियर. सो व्हाट विल यू डू एट नाइट? यू जस्ट लेट योर थॉट्स कम. अपने विचारों को अपने दिमाग में आने दो. एंड थिंक अबाउट द फ्रेंड्स दैट इज़ फार टू यू एंड दैट इज़ नियर टू यू. और अपने उन दोस्तों के बारे में सोचो जो आपके आसपास रहते हैं और जो आपसे दूर रहते हैं. By day, it does seem that our troubles won't cease. तो दिन के समय हमें क्या लगता है? From morning to evening, our whole day is busy in doing all kinds of work. तो दिन के समय हम सारा दिन काम में बिजी रहते हैं. And it seems that our problems will never end. और हमें ऐसा लगने लगता है कि हमारी ये परेशानियाँ, समस्याएं कभी खत्म ही नहीं होगी. But at night, late at night, the world is at peace. But at the night time, our mind is at peace. relaxed, and can take relief from the daily works. And you can also feel that during the night everywhere is peace. दिन में हम काम करते हैं और रात को हम रेस्ट करते हैं, इसलिए दिन के बाद रात का आना ज़रूरी होता है. At night we take rest and get energy to do the work for the next day. So there is nothing to fear about the night. So this is a very nice poem written by Ruskin Bond. Now new words. First is afraid. Afraid means feeling fear, डर लगना. Example, I am afraid of snakes. Second, she was afraid to go on the street. Second word, dark, means with little or no light. Here used for night. Dark means अंधेरा और यहाँ पे dark word का यूज night के लिए किया गया है. Example, come home before dark. It's too dark to read here. Third one, rest. Rest means to relax, यानी आराम करना. Example, take rest for a while on the couch. Second, I needed rest after a long walk. Fourth, harsh. Harsh means rough or cruel or strong effect. Means निर्दयी, कठोर. Example, he asked me to get out in a harsh tone. Second example, you should not be very harsh with your children. Fifth word, forever. Forever means always, continuously, हमेशा या लगातार. Example, parents love their children forever. Second example, I will stay with you forever. Sixth word, troubles. Troubles means difficulty or problems. Means समस्याएं या परेशानियां. Example, there are many troubles in my family. Second example, the doubt in my mind troubles me. Seventh word, cease. Cease means come to an end. रोक देना या खत्म कर देना. Example, the government should cease the taxation. Second example, he ordered his men to cease fire. So this was the poem and new words. Thank you. Thanks for watching.